We got the mini truck parts, the distributor, this little collar with new O-rings, this little doohickey. I got more of these. One of the things, when I buy one, I buy more. Gotta feed that whole army. Some of these guys just wanna make it to the finish line, but they don't wanna go back and help other people finish too. I got all these parts. Alright, stay mini. First. I think it's a 2mm. The new one, same as the old. Oh baby, she's running. We had to bypass a couple things, but McGillicuddy over here. Project Acty. Hell yeah. Doesn't have much fuel, it's probably gonna run out. I think both of these boxes are bad. Not sure why. We'll see what happens. Okay. Hell to the yeah.